He wanna pop out. I wanna rock out. Call when I'm in town. Fuck do you mean? I don't want that nigga. My IG just down his screen. Pretty bitch. Yeah, he know that I'm with this shit.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to do my I love my lashes. I know. But today I'm just doing my 2021 makeup, foundation, contour, highlight routine. It's gonna be really quick. It's gonna be real quick. Okay. So keep watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Be really quick, like I said it before. I already contoured my face using this contour and highlight palette that I got from the Beauty Supply store. It's very pretty. So I've been playing it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I'm going to be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Long Wear Concealer, and it's okay. And this is in the color Golden. And I'm going to use my mirror. If I really pronounced that wrong, forgive me. But I'm going to use my mirror, and I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes, and I'm going to start with the inner part, like so. And then I'm going to take a line just on the side of my eye, like so. And I'm going to do the same to the other eye. I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose, like so. That ain't shit. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to dot this. Just places like that. Okay. I can really do this with no foundation, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use foundation. So what I'm going to do is, that I've been doing lately, I'm going to take my setting spray, my everyday spray, and I'm going to spray this all over my face. Whew. Open my eye on top of my foundation. And then I'm going to blend it all in. I'm going to take my Kim K contour kit, I know I fucked up the packaging, but it's okay. But I'm gonna go with my, I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm going to take the rest that's on the Beauty Blender and I'm going to contour my nose. Mercier, Laura Mercier or whatever. I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to put it underneath my eye. Blush by Manali. I think it's Manali. It's off of the pack. Milani, I think. Okay. So I'm gonna be taking this packaging right here. I'm gonna be taking this blush right here.